Hi everyone, this is Kerem speaking and I'm running TechJourno, which is covering global tech startup and sustainability stories. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the popularity of unboxing videos. Why do people like unboxing videos? I will give 7 reasons, but of course there's more than that. To start with, I'm going to give you an example dated back to 2014. And this is about Kinder Surprise eggs videos, and 40 of those eggs are decorated with Disney stuff. And this video has been viewed more than 91 million times so far. And you can see this video in the comments below. I'm gonna leave you the link to see. And then there is one more figure I need to mention. This is a story published at CNN.com around 8.5 years ago. And this story claims that to watch the whole videos on YouTube, unboxing videos, it might take 6.5 years. Remember, this was 8.5 years ago, and I don't know the current numbers, so how long it's gonna take to see the whole unboxing videos on YouTube. Okay, now let's dive into the details. First, I want to mention the types of unboxing videos. First, we have toys, of course, and then the second one is electronic gadgets, and the third one is luxury unboxing videos. And such videos contain luxury brands such as Chanel or Louis Vuitton. And then let me see. And now I'm gonna take you to the 7 reasons why we like unboxing videos so much. The first one is unboxing videos are stories, and we all love stories and some drama, of course. And then the second reason is we are programmed to crave surprises, and that's right, of course. We all want to know what's going on, and we want to see some surprise, of course, in the videos. And the third one is unboxing videos are helping more emotional connection, and yes, that's also right. We feel like we are a part of the video, and we want to see that, of course. And the fourth one is unboxing videos trigger the imagination, and that's also right. And we want to know what will happen next when we watch those videos. And the fifth one is unboxing videos help us feel social. Yes, we want to know that we are all like other humans, and we want to be part of the video, and we want to feel like we are social beings. And the sixth one is we learn from unboxing videos. Yes, we become more knowledgeable after watching the videos, and not all the time I mean, but yes, we feel more knowledgeable after watching those videos. And the seventh one is the unboxing shows us a real object, and also the process of revealing the object. Yes, everything takes place in front of our eyes, and that makes us to see more. And then my next topic is that I need to mention some YouTubers famous with unboxing videos. There are some 9 names here I want to tell you. First one is Ryan Toys Review, and maybe you know this young boy. He has now 33.4 million subscribers. And then number 2 is Unbox Therapy with 18.2 million subscribers. And number 3 is Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review with 11.1 million subscribers. And then number 4 is Marquis Brownlee. He has 16.1 million subscribers. Number 5 is Dope or Nope, 7.4 million subscribers. And 6 I Justin with 7 million subscribers. 7 we have Austin Evans with 5.3 million subscribers. And 8 Jonathan Morrison with 2.6 million subscribers. And number 9 kids toys with 1.28 million subscribers. This is all from me for now. I hope the video is informative to you. If yes, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and post your comments below. See you soon with the new videos. Bye for now.